Hi everyone, I welcome you all in today we will learn about development of the First Empire. In this chapter you will study how Mahajanpad of Magad became the center of India's first empire. Magad not only established control over the other Mahajanpads but also drew tributes from remote regions beyond the Mahajanpads. From the Janpads, 16 Mahajanpads emerged which were the larger kingdoms. Out of these Mahajanpads, Magad eventually came out to be the most powerful kingdom. The ambitious rulers of Magad established control over other Mahajanpads extending over a very large area. Ambitious means having a strong desire for achievements. Such a vast kingdom was known as an empire. Like many other kingdoms and empires, the empire of Magad was established by a dynasty, that is, a series of rulers belonging to the same family. This dynasty is known as the Maurya dynasty. Stretching from Magad in the east to Khandar in the northwest to Kerala in the south, this empire came to be known for its military strength, which was acknowledged by all and nobody dared to challenge it. The Mauryan dynasty ruled over this first empire in India. The Mauryan Empire began to take shape shortly after an invasion by Alexander the Great, who came from Macedonia near Greece. Alexander's invasion 326 BCE. Alexander was one of the greatest conquerors of the world. He belonged to Macedonia in Greece. He invaded northwestern India, conquering all the kingdoms in his way. This was the period when the Nandas were ruling over Magad. Alexander fought various battles during his 2 years campaign in India. The most famous of his battles was with Porus or Puru, whose kingdom lay between the rivers Jhelum and Chenab. Though he conquered Puru's kingdom, he is said to have returned it back to him. He then reached the river Beas but could not advance further because his tired soldiers refused to go on. Before leaving India, Alexander installed Greek governors in the conquered territories in northwestern India. Alexander's invasion paved the way for the rise of the Mauryas.